Welcome back to the Big Red F. So I've been watching a lot of house inspection reels and clips and whatnot, and I found an example here. I'll post a link to it. But when they do the garage inspection, there's the anchoring bolts. I bought this house in 2000. I never paid attention to it. I did find my inspection recently, and the paper copy didn't cover this, but all of my anchoring bolts in my garage don't have any nuts or washers. So all of the bolts that I can get to, as at least a couple of them, they have a stud like directly next to it. But all the ones I can get to, I went ahead and got the appropriate sized nuts and washers, and I tightened them on. I only videoed a few of them, but yeah, I tried to fix it so that when they do inspect my garage as part of the sale of the house, I don't end up on a YouTube video where the inspector goes, there's nothing holding this foundation to this, or there's nothing holding this garage to this foundation. So there you go. Don't forget to like and subscribe.